This term at Unity Studios, our young artists have taken part in a creative journey filled with experimentation, learning and self-expression. We began with wood drawing techniques, helping mentees build skills in line, proportion and perspective, laying a strong foundation for realistic drawing. From there we explored colour theory through acrylic painting, inspired by the abstract work of Wassily Kandinsky. Then mentees played with shape, colour and composition and used both collage and paint to express mood and movement. Our watercolour sessions brought a whole new layer of creativity, blending colours for vibrant sunsets using wax-resistant techniques and even painting to music to explore rhythm and emotion. Midway through the term, we embraced a series of playful yet challenging drawing activities. Drawing with our non-dominant hands using continuous lines and creating spontaneous work inspired by sound. These sessions encouraged risk-taking and reminded us that art is as much about the process as the product. We also introduced air-dry clay, allowing mentees to bring their ideas into three-dimensional form, engaging the senses and exploring texture, shape and structure. Throughout the term we've seen incredible growth in confidence, creativity and artistic voice. Every artwork tells a story of curiosity, persistence and pride, and we're so proud of what our mentees have achieved, and we hope you enjoy this celebration of their journey. Into the final part of our showcase, you'll see works from our young adult and adult senior groups. These artists bring their own unique styles, ideas and preferred materials to their sessions, and their work reflects a growing sense of independence, self-expression and creative confidence. At Unity Studios, this is what we aim for. While we guide our primary age mentees through structured projects and skill building, the long-term vision is to support them to eventually create with freedom and authenticity, just like our senior group. By the time artists reach this stage, they are encouraged to lead their own creative journey, with their mentors offering, of course, support, feedback and encouragement along the way. These works are a celebration of artistic voice, individuality and the growth that comes from years of curious practice and passion. As we head into the second half of the year, our focus will shift towards preparing for our end-of-year studio showcase, a celebration of everything our artists have learned, explored and created. In the coming weeks, we'll be diving into portrait drawing and collage, giving mentees a chance to observe closely, express emotion and tell stories through faces and form. We'll also be working on layered paintings, an exciting opportunity to build on our drawing and painting skills while exploring texture and depth in mixed medium techniques. Importantly, we're also making space for our younger artists to create an own choice piece, a chance for them to experiment, the freedom and confidence that comes from following their own creative direction. This is especially meaningful for our upper primary mentees, many of whom are preparing to transition into our young adults class at the end of the year. By offering both structured and self-led opportunities, we're helping them develop not only skills but a strong sense of artistic identity. We can't wait to see what each artist brings to life as we work towards our final showcase of the year.